Alright guys, Turkey Killer today. Back with another YouTube video. Let's do it. So today we're gonna find something to do. And I'm gonna do it.
Show me his dick.
So, hold on. Just set it again.
His dick probably on the ground somewhere.
1 minute.
Off of 21 Jump Street.
Okay, I'm back. So, this is my airplane. It's awesome. It's what I made to fly in here, if you guys can see.
Ah!
It's my brother yelling.
Shut up!
No. Okay, you see the straw? It could be a bendy straw, it could be a regular straw. It could be bendy. Now what you're gonna do with this is put it in your shirt, you put it in your armpit, and then in the store, you could just go out to somebody and be like, and you could do that in the store. Pretty funny, guys. Just make sure it's not a straw that's whistles like this, because you're gonna hear that whistling sound, and you don't want to hear that because they're gonna really think it's fake. So you want to show you guys again? See, it makes that noise. Just put it under your armpit.
Oh my
Where
god!
it fits. And
I'm done, dude. I'm playing zombies after this.
let me see if this straw works. It's just the original drinking straw.
playing
It's
zombies
from
after
Wendy's. Every straw makes a different noise.
I've seen it too.
It ain't working.
Cause it was right next to you and it blew up.
So that one sounded pretty cool. If you want to prank everybody, there's a dirt bike in the house. You just me and my brother were doing this yesterday. Man, he started cracking up. Oh yeah, guys, if you search up on YouTube, grapefruit. It's the very first one. She's cutting grapefruit. Just watch it. It's really fucking funny. I mean,
the YouTube channel.
some people.
How the hell did you make a YouTube channel, boy?
Have it.
How the hell did you make a YouTube channel, bitch?
Okay. I'll be back.
Bitch.